and a lot of these cryptocurrencies. And as you guys can see on something like XRP, beautiful bull flag forming, but as we figured, after hitting top resistance here, we start to correct down and it goes above just XRP or beyond just XRP. Same exact thing with Solana, beautiful ascending fractal, pinballing off resistances. We hit the top. Here we are correcting back to the downside. Look at Ethereum. Exactly as we said yesterday. I mean, this is continuation. It don't get any more perfect than this. Sending broadening wedge. It don't get any more beautiful than this. We hit the top. We said this was a good short opportunity. And here we are correcting and falling to the downside. It don't get any easier. It really doesn't get any easier than this. It makes sense. It was an obvious play. It was an easy trade. These are ascending broadening wedges. We're going to have to track this a little bit later on in today's video. Bitcoin. Same exact thing. Not a surprise. If any of this came as a surprise to you, then you're going to have to watch the channel more. But you can see we hit resistance. We said probably unobtainable, not going to head higher. Here we are correcting all the way down to 91K. Stock market hitting a bit of turbulence. We'll see. The market wants to move higher. It's obviously possible, but I would argue we need more of a pull down before we continue to head up. But you know, anything's up for grabs right now, but very interesting. Lots of things to go over in today's episode. Lots of things to discuss. Lots of things to talk about. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, and let's get right into today's video. Here, I want to check out some of these cryptocurrencies. We'll start with XRP, obviously, and then we'll go from there. But you can see with XRP, we have this descending fractal here. We have this beautiful uptrend breakout here forming a bull flag nonetheless, and these typically rally out. How they enter is how they exit. I mean, I can even pull up bull flag crypto for you to see the reference chart here. This is a bull flag. You can see flag pull in, consolidation, and a breakout. And if we go to XRP, that's the exact pattern that we have now. So we are looking for, once we hit bottom, we're looking for a break, whether that's like right now or we hit bottom and then we rally out, which is what I'd be more inclined to see happen here. Then we'll see this breakup, but that's kind of what we're on track to do, consolidate. I mean, we've been in major breakouts that we've been talking about here, major bull runs since the start. If we jump to like the daily charts here, you can see we had a huge bull flag already forming. This is now happening again, but this bull flag broke us out. We had this sort of descending fractal, broke us bullish. We exploded to the upside here. We consolidated in a symmetrical triangle, a pennant flag that broke us bullish as well, exploded out right here. Now we're in another bull flag, and at the end of this, we should see a rally. Probably when we get to this level here, we could rally up even higher. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited too with a lot of these cryptocurrencies because a lot of things are coming and it's going to be very important. Now, check this out. So we're going to be doing these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Aside from the bonus, the trading competition they're doing, they have a way for users to earn up to $8,100 in free crypto. And then they have a demo trading account, which I like to use. I'll pull that up right here. So you can see with this reward center, with the bonus, you can see if I click on user benefits, you can win up or get a claim up to $8,100. And if you're doing that trading competition, I can see it being pretty easy to do. But these are the levels that they're allowing to. And then there's even a way for you guys, new users, specifically anyone, can earn $100 in USDT in free bonus crypto. You can practice trading on the demo trading account here. You know, they give you $50K to kind of get familiar with the exchange. It's free. I recommend everyone to start or practice on that. And then the live trading account, you can use your bonus money in the bonus wallet, and 100 goes a long way. 100 on leverage is like $2,000, if not more. And then any profits you earn off that bonus money, you can withdraw completely free. If you lose the bonus money, you know, who cares? So be it. Anywho, moving forward from BidFi and XRP, these other cryptos also reveal interesting things. So XRP looks like it wants to continue to head lower, but we might not, considering the rest of the markets are consolidating. We might, play out like that. If we go to the coin market cap here, you can see we're down 5% and we are continuously dropping. Three, not really too much, but you can just see in their history, their volume history, the price has started to dip across the board, down 9%, 10%, 13%, 10%. I mean, this is obvious. This is what we've been waiting for patiently. It makes sense that the correction is coming. So keep that in mind. But aside from that, you can see these other cryptos look like they're kind of bottoming out too. We hit moving average on the 4-hour. This might be different on the daily. Let's check that out. Yeah, the daily, we are way away from the daily. So we could easily move back down to this moving average here. much quicker than I thought. And these typically do break bearish. It's kind of where we're at. So there's a chance that short term we're going to get held up here, but we could easily head lower. So just keep that in the back of your mind, or we can get back inside of here. But it just made sense that for the time being, we'd be correcting down to these moving averages here. Now, as for Ethereum, ascending broadening wedge here, you can see if I pull up, where is it? I want an Elliott impulse wave. We start here. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've pretty much completed this impulse. And there's a very good chance this could now dip out. These ascending broadening wedges break bearish. I'll pull it up. Ascending broadening wedges. They're a bearish pattern as far as I understand. Just like this, you can see here, they break down. They break out and they pull to the downside here. Once they're done completing their wave, you can see it like that. They end up correcting out of their market here with these, you can see we're retesting the pattern usually at least 5 times. You can see here the pattern is considered valid when the price action has touched the trend at least 5 times, and then it breaks down, which is what we just drew. You can see now there was 5 points of retest here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that means it's complete. And then they typically break down. They short. So get ready to do that on Ethereum. That's a big possibility. Bitcoin's breaking down too. Caught up on moving average. We're going to just park it here because they could easily start to dump. Like all these cryptos could head a lot lower because we are so overvalued right now. Like I wouldn't be surprised if we see just a sell-off all the way down to 70K. It wouldn't be surprising like at all. This is all uncharted territory. We don't have new supports. And if we do tank, it's going to send us to like 30, 40 on the RSI. And that's pretty normal if you ask me. But that's pretty much all the updates for today's video here. Not surprising, but we are going to kind of cool off right now because we're not in a bad place. So we might, kind of consolidate up a little bit. Stock market is at a high for the most part, but I think we are due to also fall. I do think a little bit of healthy pullback is necessary for all of these cryptos, including the stock market, in order for us to continue to head up higher here. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.